Junk food, with its irresistible crunch and instant satisfaction, is a staple in diets worldwide. The allure lies not only in its convenience but also in the engineered balance of sugar, salt, and fat that tantalizes our taste buds. Shockingly, a recent study reveals that over 60% of the calories in average American diets come from ultra-processed foods. Junk food can hijack the brain's reward system, leading to addictive-like eating behavior. The question arises, how does this type of diet affect our mental capabilities and moods? Junk food's impact on the brain extends beyond the mere triggering of pleasure centers. High levels of fats, sugars, and salts in these foods lead to significant changes in the brain's chemistry and physiology. Diets high in these components reduce the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, vital for brain cell growth. This reduction can lead to diminished brain function over time. Excessive consumption of processed foods increases the risk of developing neuroinflammatory conditions. This inflammation can impair brain function and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The consumption of junk food can also alter the gut microbiome, affecting the brain through the gut-brain axis. The relationship between junk food and mood is particularly stark. Frequent consumption of processed foods is associated with an increased risk of depression and other mood disorders. These foods lead to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, inducing mood swings. The immediate gratification that junk food provides does little to alter the long-term emotional disturbances it causes. Additives and preservatives in many processed foods can exacerbate mood disorders. Eating patterns dominated by junk food also deprive the brain of essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for maintaining mood stability. A deficiency in these nutrients can lead to a deterioration in mood regulation. Practitioners in nutritional psychiatry advocate for dietary interventions as part of treatment plans for mood disorders. Cognitive decline is another significant consequence of sustained junk food consumption. Diets high in sugar and fat can impair cognitive functions such as memory and learning. This cognitive impairment can affect daily life, reducing productivity and mental clarity. In adolescence, the impact is even more pronounced. Research indicates that teenagers who consume large amounts of junk food perform worse on academic tests. The brain's plasticity means it is continually shaped by daily experiences, including what we eat. The consumption of junk food can lead to the buildup of proteins such as amyloid beta, associated with Alzheimer's disease. This buildup can start early, making the role of diet in maintaining cognitive health even more critical. The long-term effects of a junk food diet can lead to diminished cognitive reserves, making the brain less resilient to aging. Combating junk food cravings begins with awareness and education. Understanding the detrimental effects of processed foods on the brain and body can motivate better dietary choices. Creating an environment that supports healthy eating habits is crucial. This includes having access to healthy alternatives and removing temptations from immediate reach. Planning meals can significantly reduce the impulse to indulge in junk food. By preparing balanced meals rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, individuals can ensure they receive essential nutrients. Regular meal times help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing mood swings. Mindful eating practices encourage a more harmonious relationship with food and help break the cycle of binge eating. Seeking support from professionals such as dietitians or therapists can provide the tools and accountability needed to make sustainable changes.